Have you ever noticed your vacuum cleaner struggling to pick up dirt, even after a thorough cleaning session? That frustrating moment when your powerful vacuum just isn't quite as powerful as it used to be, leaving behind pesky crumbs or pet hair. The key to maintaining your vacuum cleaner's strong suction power is consistently cleaning or replacing its filters. These filters are vital components that trap dust and debris, protecting the motor and ensuring effective cleaning. Over time, these filters become clogged with the very particles they are designed to catch, restricting airflow to the motor. When airflow is reduced, the vacuum's motor has to work harder without delivering the suction you need, making your cleaning less efficient. To keep your vacuum performing its best, first, identify your vacuum's filter types. Most modern vacuums have at least one motor protection filter, and often a high-efficiency particulate air or HEP filter, which removes very fine particles. For washable foam or cloth filters, carefully remove them and rinse under cool running water until the water runs clear. Gently squeeze out excess water, then allow them to air dry completely, which can take 24 to 48 hours before reinserting them. Never put a damp filter back into your vacuum. Paper or cartridge filters are typically not washable and need to be replaced. Check your owner's manual for the recommended replacement schedule, which is usually every 3 to 6 months depending on usage. To replace, simply remove the old filter and insert the new one, ensuring it is securely seated. A useful tip for maximizing filter life and vacuum performance is to clean your premotor filters every time you empty the dustbin. This proactive approach significantly extends the period before deep cleaning or replacement is needed. Additionally, a clean HEP, a filter not only maintains suction but also improves indoor air quality by trapping allergens and microscopic particles. By making regular filter maintenance a part of your cleaning routine, you ensure your vacuum operates at peak efficiency, picks up more debris, and lasts longer. This simple yet crucial task prevents strain on the motor, saves you from frequently buying new machines, and keeps your home cleaner and fresher with every use.